Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making slow cooker pot roast. You will need 3 pounds of chuck roast, 1 small onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 stalks of celery, 2 cups of baby carrots, 6 small potatoes, 1/2 cup of red wine, 2.5 cups of beef broth, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of thyme, 2 bay leaves, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Make sure to pat your roast dry with paper towels, then place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Now generously season your meat on both sides with your salt and pepper. Place the slow cooker on the brown setting, then add your oil. Then using medium-high heat, bring your oil to temperature. Now add the roast to the pot, then brown on both sides. If your slow cooker doesn't have a brown setting, this can be done in a skillet. Remove the roast from the pot, then set it aside. Now saute your onions and garlic for 2 minutes. Add the flour and continue to cook until your flour has turned a golden brown. Now add your red wine. Add the beef broth, then mix until well combined. Return the roast to the slow cooker, then season with the onion powder, garlic powder, and thyme. Add the bay leaves, then cover. Change your slow cooker setting from brown to slow cook on high and allow it to cook on high for 2 hours. After 2 hours, remove the lid, then add the potatoes, carrots, and celery. Cover and allow it to cook for an additional 2 hours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.